Hey guys, and welcome back to NoBlandMakeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist, and today I'm probably gonna make some of you angry. Sorry about that. I recorded this video before the Saints and the Rams played each other, so there's that. But yeah, the first thing we're gonna do is basically draw out this fleur-de-lis. I think that's what it's called anyway. They're very symmetrical. So that's basically going to be the hard part of this, because once we have this gold fleur-de-lis kind of in there, you're basically just outlining it repeatedly, 3 times to be exact. So you want to make sure that you get it as symmetrical as possible. It gets a little bit harder when we do the little wing things. Obviously you can see mine. One side is a little chunkier than the other. Story there. Definitely, like, I didn't do this in this video, but in the Rams video I did yesterday, take some micellar water or something, or water on a Q-tip, and you can always go in and edit a little bit of your fleur-de-lis to make it more even, because if it's not even at some angles, it's going to look a little odd, and then it's going to bother you if you have a slight case of OCD like I do. So once you have traversed the fleur-de-lis, or at least drawn it on your face, preferably a little more evenly than I did, we're going to outline it in black. Like I said, once you have the initial drawing down, the rest of this is going to be super easy because it's literally just outlining it. One thing though is you do want to be careful, since it is a black body paint, that you don't get too out of the lines or like disproportionate, I guess, from what you're trying to do, because unlike white body paint, black body paint is a little bit harder to fix because it is so dark. That's just reality. But yeah. And just like any other video that I've done in the past, which I have a lot of, you guys should watch them all. Just saying. No, but just take your time doing this, because it's a lot easier to add a little bit than it is to try to fix a big old mistake. Learn from my mistakes. So now that we've got one outline down, we're going to do the next one in white body paint. So what I did try to do too is any parts of the gold that were out of, or like, because I tried to fix how uneven this was. Any parts of the gold that were kind of out of the black line, I just went over with a little bit of white. Is that cheating? Probably. Should I have just cleaned it up with a Q-tip? Probably. But in case you're in a pinch, you can always do something like that. And wolf white is amazing, just like wolf black is. They're so pigmented, and that's kind of what I'm looking for in one of these. So again, take your time. If you do happen to go over the black a little bit, you can always go back in with a little more black body paint and kind of fix it later. I would give it a couple seconds to dry though before you try to fix anything, just so, you know, you don't make a mistake worse. Learn from me. And then before I started the third outline, I went back in with a little more of that black body paint, fixed up some stuff that I messed up on because I am not perfect. But yeah, like I said, once you have that initial design down, the rest of the logo is actually pretty simple to do. The hardest part is literally just the gold. And then, like I said, with the black you can go in and kind of edit the white, because it is such a dark color, you can kind of fix everything. And that's basically it. That's all I really have for that one, so to the end! So remember how I said that was the end? I might have lied. I did go back in with a little more white body paint and just kind of cleaned it up just a little bit. Like I said, wolf white is awesome. I love it. If it ever gets discontinued, I will cry hysterically. So that is the finished logo. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I actually really like this one. I don't know, I feel like it's one of my better ones, even though it's kind of a little lopsided. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. subscribe and hit that notification bell so YouTube knows that you meant it, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you want to see next, because I'm taking requests.